we are in such bad straits. Unemployment has the SOM test, which is a fairly new economic indicator that was printed in 2019, basically states when over a 12-month period, if the interest rates rise, unemployment rates rise by more than 0.5%, the minute it crosses 0.5%, we're already in a recession.
Right.
We hit that mark 2 months ago. We've been in a recession 2 months ago. And when the Fed cuts rates when we're not in a recession, the stock market actually increases. That's only happened 20% out of the all the time since 1913 the Fed has cut the rates. But when the Fed cuts rates when we're already in a recession, 100% of the time it's going to crash. And that's why today I sold all my Bitcoin. I put it all in digital gold and silver. And I am out of cryptocurrency. I'm out of the stock market. All my assets, all my wealth is in gold, silver, physical, digital, and a little bit of cash to survive. That's it. I think that we are about to experience the worst economic collapse in our country's history.
Not financial.
Yeah. Well, we got to put that out there. Not financial advice.
This is my
I sold my
opinion.
Bitcoin. I sold all my stocks.
Hey, look, I think tomorrow it's going to start today. I mean, we've seen it last week. We saw articles coming out. People are fearing Bitcoin goes down. Everything's going down. Stock market, it's just teetering. They're waiting for the actual report, and people are going to get scared. Look, the stock market, cryptocurrency, it is just the hopes and fears of the people who are investing, plus manipulation of the central bank by pumping currency. That's all it is. That's why the price to earnings ratios for some of the biggest companies are so out of balance.
Out of whack, yeah.
It's out of whack. You can't have a 50-to-1 earnings ratio. I mean, what? I mean, that's ridiculous. I mean, you'll never make your money back if you get a dividend from that. You know, it's all speculation. It's all this fiat currency being pumped into these tech companies.
Well,
these
those
AI
earnings
companies.
ratios also went up into triple digits at times too, right? With those startups.
Yeah,
so that's,
exactly.
But what I'm trying to say is we lasted through that. They didn't have a massive impact, even though those companies are no longer here or they've been obliterated in some ways.
Yeah.
But for everything to get completely crushed, I don't know. I'm a little bit skeptical on that.
When the market,
We'll know in about 48 hours.
Yeah. Oh boy.
I think I just hope you're wrong. I think that's what it is really.
So there's the shocking information I was telling you he was going to give you a little while.
So to that point, Jar, right? I'm skeptical as well, but that's only because I am not a finance guy the way that Daniel is, right? Yeah. So like he has the experience, he has the know-how, the knowledge to read the charts, to understand the sentiment and how it affects the market, right? Yeah. So I think to his point, what you could do, and can you throw up that not financial advice thing?
I'll put it back up.
Is you could take half of those assets, right? Half of the stocks, half of the crypto, and just go in halfway, right? That's what I think I might do once I'm done with work. I know I'm hopping off here soon.
Hold on a second.
Just to,
wait.
I don't want to be in the predicament where I put all my eggs into one basket and then you look at my name, financial failure, right? And I'm screwed. So I'm going to go ahead and go 50 way on this, just because I'm not the expert in this space. I'm an expert in tech. But not in finance. Right?
Yeah. And don't put it in cash. Put it into put it into Pax G, put it into Tether Gold, put it in the gold. Gold is about to go.
What about crypto stables?
I mean, it's the dollar, right?
Well,
the dollar is going to crash.
It's
inflation. I mean, you can put in a stable coin, but the real true stable coin is gold, right? Because it keeps up with inflation.